So hi everyone, I'm Razvan Girmacea, and in the last 10 years, while I developed other startups, I saw that the main concern of online businesses are getting new leads, new users to their website. So now product development is getting easier and easier, but getting clients, especially that the market is getting more competitive, is one of the most critical aspects of a business, and it's something that you cannot really control. Companies need more leads to convert them into clients. They explore every marketing channel available to figure out what's the highest return of investment channel. Now, the problem is that companies usually spend a lot of time and a lot of money to get leads into their funnel, leads that they eventually convert to users and then customers. But on average, they convert how many? Maybe 1%. But they have paid to acquire all of them. So what if you can double or even triple your audience using your current inactive users that you already paid for? So the solution is cross promo. It's an email marketing platform for companies where they can cross promote each other equally and automatically, no matter the size of the company, and even in parallel with different companies, different partners. So on cross promo, a company can find partners. They can segment the users they want to promote, and or to the users they want to be promoted. To give you an example, so cross promotion is not email cross promotion is not something new. A lot of companies have done it before and are still doing it. I remember I received a few days ago something from PayPal. They were promoting a different company. So, but 3 years ago at How to Web, I was talking to the CEO of CyberGhost, and he said that he has done a manual email cross-promotion campaign with Bitdefender. They have sent an email to their users with a discount to get Bitdefender, and they hoped, and this is his exact word, hoped, that Bitdefender has done the same to his users. And he told me that he sent this email to about 2 million users or something like this. So it's a lot of users. There must be a better way than just hoping on this kind of campaign. Also, while I'm part of online groups of entrepreneurs or marketeers online, I keep hearing more and more about people trying to cross-promote, trying to find partners and cross-promote themselves. But they
One more minute left.
Oh, that's it? Okay.
1 more minute left.
So the idea is that cross-promo is the middleman. It will automatically send emails equally to different partners, even multiple partners in parallel. The market size, what we've tested and we initially wanted to launch was on software as a services, and then we can expand to basically every business that has some online activity or user emails. We are 2 people in the team. We have founded actually this few years ago, but we had to pause the project. The current stage is that we didn't launch yet. We have the product technically ready, so now we are looking to validate the product. We have a software as a service, monthly payments, and we are looking basically for feedback to see if it's something valid and if people want. We already have 200 pre-sign-ups from kind of big companies that they said that they want to try this. That's it. Thank you.
All right. I already see questions. Thank you for also being on time with this 5 minutes time for pitching. No matter the conditions, if we're switching, we're going to try to keep this under 5 minutes. Now, another session of 5 minutes is about to begin. My screen will remain as it is. You've turned off yours. I will get on screen Lucian Toda from Erond. He already asked a question. I will also end Bogdan's screen, but we'll bring him back. and you will have a separate session of he will have a separate session of evaluating and deliberating upon the evaluation of the jury members. To all the jury members, please get in Mentimeter and evaluate cross promo and what you've heard from Razvan. Luci, the question was?
Hi guys, the question was who owns the users and how is the data shared between those partners? If I understood correctly, the fact that you're matching some users from a partner with other users of a partner in order to do this cross campaign.
So the idea is that companies will not get access to the other company email database. The emails will be sent from the company that owns the database. They will share the database. So we have two options, but what we thought to have more control, they will share the database just like a normal CRM. Like if they use Intercom, they have the database of users there, so we can segment them. But we will send. We have servers. We have encrypted. Everything is encrypted. The key to decrypt is accessible only from a different server that sends the actual emails. We want to control this process so we can verify that we send the exact number of emails, and we even will go to actually get the exact number of leads. We will not concentrate on number of emails sent, but mostly on number of leads that the companies get. So we will send the email using either the SMTP of the company, so the email will come from the company that owns the database.
Not by chance you see also Ionuț in the screen. He also has a question, and we also have less than 3 minutes of total time for this Q&A. Thank you, Luci. Let's hear out Ionuț's question.
Yes, salut, Razvan. So I'm just curious because I know a little bit about this market. I'm also doing this kind of email and cross-platform things. So the offer is a little bit crowded, and the startups are big players, as I know here. So how do you think you can squeeze inside this market, and what's basically in basic terms your value proposition? What you can do a little bit different to make a sign here?
Well, I didn't really find anyone that does this. So they can do it manually, just like CyberGhost did with Bitdefender. No problem. Do it manually. Just hope for the best. No measurements, no equal. But they have to find equal partners. With cross promo, everything is sent equally. It's sent automatically. We even have, for example, ongoing campaigns, just like Google Ads, where every day, let's say after 45 days that the user entered the funnel, didn't convert it, they enter the cross promo campaign. And let's say if you have 40 users per day, after 40 days, it will send an email with the cross promotion email to both partners.
So you basically try to I don't know, put your hope in people that they will trust each other and sign up to this service so they can cross each other's results.
Yeah, they do not need to trust each other, because we will do, if let's say if someone has bought a database or a spammy database that delivers no clicks, we will send maybe a sample, let's say 100 emails, and then we will wait to get the same amount of leads that the partner is sending.
I got it.
The risk is less using cross promo than just trusting and try to find someone.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Thank you.
I'm gonna briefly add Mihai for the last question. I will remove you and bring you back to some other questions. Mihai's question, until I get, are you also planning to expand it outside email?
No.
That's his question.
Not yet. So I think that there's a big amount of work and market yet to be especially validated and see if everything works fine until to move to other channels.
All right.
But of course, if I get good feedback, that's the idea. If I start to get start this going, and then companies request something, I can adapt. That's the idea of it.
Could you check a bit the mic, Mihai?
You hear me?
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Cool. Thanks for the answer. I have another question. If we still have time, it's very fast.
Half a minute.
2 more minutes.
Half a minute.
Half a minute. Okay. Anybody else who's doing this on the market?
No, automatically no. So there are some lead exchange where you can buy databases from each other, but I'm not going into that direction to comment on the ethical part. So nobody is doing this. And I think that's good and bad, because it will be a bit hard to educate the market. But I think it's needed.
All right. Thank you, Mihai.